All right, so create React app is dead. That's for certain. So now how do you create a React application? Okay, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, the first thing we just want to make sure is that you have Node.js, okay? You have Node.js installed on your machine, so you can go to Node.js on the download. Just download the package for your operating system, for macOS or whatever. There are many alternatives. So once you have that installed, just make sure you run npm-v to ensure that you have the right version. Okay, assuming you have that. Now let's get to work and see how we can actually simply do that. So the first thing that I did for myself here is I have this folder called Vite. I'm just pull it for YouTube really. And you can always open your favorite editor. So we're gonna go into that folder and open it in VS Code here and open the terminal. Now it's easy to open the terminal because you can look here at the top. It says terminal, new terminal, and it opens up. Or you can also use this at the top right corner. There are three buttons there. The one in the middle, this one, you can use that to open the terminal. Okay, great. So I'm gonna create another folder in here. Make the maybe I'll just call it videos, or maybe not. Let's just leave it the way it is. And I'm gonna go to Vite here. It's actually very easy to set up. You have this command npm create Vite at latest. Just copy that and we're gonna paste that. All right, it's gonna ask us, so what's going to be the name of our project? I'm just gonna call this a demo. There you go. Select a framework. We're gonna go with React. TypeScript. I like to use TypeScript, but I'm assuming most beginners we use JavaScript. So here we go. Then we're gonna cd into demo and run npm install. All right, just gonna wait for a little bit while all the dependencies are being installed and downloaded. Okay, perfect. Now you open your project. This is your folder structure. You have your source. That's most of the stuff is really going to be in. So what I'm interested in is the app.jsx here. This is more like the entry point. Now, in order for you to actually get to see the application in the browser, you're gonna need to run, this is the last command that you need to run. And if you go back again, I'm trying to see where that is, but anyways, I'm just going to tell you if I can find the command here. Okay, perfect. This one, npm run dev. That is the last command that you want. This is actually going to run and give you a link on your local machine. You could copy that link and paste it in your browser. So, all right, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You now have your React application. Now, in the next video, I'm going to actually show you how you can start to mess around with things in here, software, and how you can deploy it to GitHub and have a link. Like for example, here, this is just a small project that I was working on. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching.